say his light all o'er again he pours. The silvery blooms spread their smells, and their soft cascade knocks the tops of the heads of both youths with long and golden locks, and all bewitched by love. She lifts her eyes towards the fires of the witnessing Lucifer, and trusts him her desire.
Listen to me, mild Lucifer. Thou canst glide on a beam, enter my forest and my mind, and o'er my good luck gleam.
As he did it once into woods, on hills his rays he urges, guiding throughout so many wilds the gleaming, moving surges. But he falls not as he did once from his height into swells.
What matters the cloud of dust, if 'tis me or someone else? You live in your sphere's narrowness, and luck rules over you. But in my steady world, I feel